Okay, what we have here is we have a deadbolt, and we don't have a working key. So what we're going to do, we're going to shim it open. And this is shim stock, and what it is a thin beveled piece of metal that'll fit right in the back of a lock. So you just stick it in the back of the lock like that, put a little pressure on it, take a key blank, it fits in the lock, and move it in and out. And as you move it in and out the back, you push on the back of the shim stock, and if it jams up a bit, just pull it out a bit and keep moving. Oh yeah, figures give me a hard one. There we go. And you just keep working the key in and out as this shim stock slides in. Eventually it'll get right to the end, and the lock will turn. And what you do is pull the shim stock out, get yourself a plug follower, and push out that cylinder. There you have it.